With both of our projects in safe hands, it's time to find out how an old bangers and cash favourite is getting on. This week, a 1989 XJS. In 2019, we found ourselves on Nick Walker's chicken farm in Halifax. The Jaguar wasn't the only neglected classic in the barn.
They've been put in here about 20 years ago. We've got a Mercedes 350 SL. My father bought them both. Didn't use either of them an awful lot.
It wasn't an easy extraction for Jack Matthewson.
Yeah, all right. Is that wheel locking up?
Nick began to see it in a different light.
Well, it looks very nice. I'm just wondering whether I should be getting rid of it now. I think I should be keeping that. Just use a wash and a wax and away we go.
Derek agreed.
If you've got a bit of savvy and a bit of go about you, you're not taking on anything terribly difficult. You know, you need compression and a spark, don't you, in the right order, and a bit of fuel, that's all you need.
And at the auction 3 years ago, prices were a bit different.
1150. Have another. 1200, 1200 pounds, 1250, 1250. Last time looking round, 1250, 1250. Selling, 1250. Thanks for your bidding, chaps.
4 months later, the XJS had regained some composure, polished, serviced, and enjoying some summer sun near Bridlington. New owner Mike Worley, a novice in the world of classics, was impressed.
It's ridiculously comfortable, and, you know, the chrome is gorgeous.
But the Jag had some underlying issues and failed its MOT.
I think they call it a bit spongy underneath, but I've signed up for a welding course. I've ordered a little MIG welder, and who knows where that might lead.
It led to St Helens, and the MIG welder staying in its box.
It became quite quickly apparent that it was way beyond my pay grade.
Mike brought the car to a mechanic friend to help. There is restoration progress, but it's a long job.
The cross member on the passenger side, we've ended up having to cut that out and put some new section in it. He's done loads of work on the front wheel arches. We've already done these front section of valance, but with it being outside, we've got a lot of deterioration on that seam.
For many would-be restorers, this is a familiar story.
There is a lot of rot down there. The whole bottom of the door has gone totally.
With admirable optimism that restorers must always retain, Mike thinks another 6 months' work should get it sorted.
It's not put me off because I just absolutely adore that car. It's got to be on the road.